Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Our Indian festival Holi is coming soon. So today I am going to make Holi special Thandai. I am going to show you very simple and easy recipe that you can make it at home. Thandai is the perfect refreshing drink to serve during the summer and especially on Holi festival. Also I will show you how to make Thandai masala at home. Please keep watching this video till the end how I make it. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also so that you get all the notifications. We will make the Thandai masala powder first. So here I have some ingredients to make the masala powder. Like 1/3 cup almonds, 1/3 cup broken cashew nuts, 1/4 cup pistachio, 1/4 cup melon seeds. I am taking small portions. 1/4 cup poppy seeds, 1/4 cup fennel seeds, and we need rose petals, half tablespoon, sugar 1/4 cup, black pepper half teaspoon, and cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. So let's start to make the masala powder. I am going to grind them all together. First I am taking poppy seeds, fennel seeds, rose petal, sugar. Here I have taken 1/4 cup sugar because I will use honey to make the Thandai. Melon seeds, almond, cashew nuts, pistachio, black pepper and cardamom powder. Let me grind them. Masala powder is ready, but we have to sieve it little bit. So I am taking a bowl and a strainer. Okay, we will grind it again. We will repeat the same process, but we have to sieve the remaining powder. Now we will sieve it again. Okay, I am done. You can repeat the same process again to grind it, or you can soak it in lukewarm milk and use it to make the Thandai, but do not throw it out. So let's make the Thandai. Our powder is ready. I am taking 2 cups of chilled milk. Do not use hot milk. This is Thandai, so we need chilled milk. For 2 cups of milk, I am adding 4 tablespoons Thandai masala powder. This is refreshing drink. You will get more energy. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon saffron. I didn't add kesar in the powder because some people don't like this flavor. That's why. And I am adding 1 teaspoon honey. As I told you, I will use honey to make the Thandai. Honey is good for health. Now I will grind it. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to soak the masala powder, then grind it. But I will grind it right now. Yummy! Yummy Thandai is ready. Let me garnish it a little bit. Garnish with some sliced almond, some pistachio, and some rose petals. That's it. Holi special Thandai is ready. So try to make it at home and enjoy the Holi with your family, friends and your relatives. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.